What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Lego Peely from Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Just going to bend this up and then out. Now I want to connect the ends with a circle going up towards the top of the eye. So we'll start on the outside, going all the way around the eye. Come down and then in towards the bottom. Then do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height and then down. Let's add two small circles along the top of each eye for a highlight. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now, in between the eyes, we're going to move down and over towards the left. We're going to shift the mouth going down and then in towards the center. Above each eye, we draw a large circle for the goggles. Let's leave a gap, starting from the bottom, going all the way around towards the top, come down the side, and then back in towards the bottom. Let's leave a gap and draw the same size circle on the right. Let's connect the circles in the center with two lines, one on the top, one on the bottom, and then we want to trace the circles along the inside. Now we're going to go all the way up towards the top and draw the end of the banana. Let's start with a curve, coming down and then up. On the ends, angle this up and then out towards the top. And then we'll round out the top going up and then down. Now I want to trace this curve along the top, but we're going to add a couple notches along the way, about halfway. Go up and down, draw a short line, and a smaller point, and then bend that out. Now from the bottom corners, we're going to curve the head coming down and then out towards the side. So we'll start with the left, coming down and out to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Let's peel open the left side of the banana, going up and then out. And we'll flatten off the end. Let's go all the way over towards the right side. We're just going to flop this down, going up, come down, and then bend that out. Let's flatten off the end. Now it's going to taper this in and then back in towards the side. Now let's go back to the left side. It's going to draw the outside of that flap coming down towards the side of the head. Let's bend the body going out and then down. Go over towards the right side, going around the head, and then down towards the same height. Now I want to curve the body coming down and then rounding out the bottom. Let's start back on the left. Come down, pull that in towards the center. Let's round this out, go across, and then pull that up on the right side. Let's go to the bottom and draw a straight line going across from left to right. So we'll start the left side, and then extend that out towards the right. Let's angle this up and in underneath the body. Going up on the left, and then the right. Then we'll add a trim along the side. Let's round out the barrel of the hips, starting from this point, put this out, and then back in. And then we'll flatten off the bottom. Now I want to leave a gap in the center and draw two straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's move over towards the left, come all the way down to right about there, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's go to the outside corner of the barrel, draw another straight line coming down. I'm just going to line this up, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's go up, draw the top of the foot, going across on both sides. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms. We're going to start from this point, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then we'll round up the wrist, going up and then out towards the side. Let's bend the arms coming back up and then in towards the side of the body. Now from the corners of the wrist, we're going to curve the hands coming around and then in, leaving a gap in the center. So we'll start with the left, coming all the way around and then in. Let's move over and do the same thing on the right, going all the way around the hand. Let's round out the inside of the hand. And I'll trace this all the way around the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right, rounding out the inside. And trace this all the way around. Now that we have the basic shape of the body, let's start adding some details. Let's start with the vest. We'll start just up above the arms, then the vest coming down and then in. Let's move over towards the right, going out and then up. Let's come straight down the side to right about there. And then draw a straight line going out. Now along the inside, let's add another line coming down the zipper. And we'll add a pattern of straight horizontal lines going across from top to bottom. Let's add a trim around the vest, starting from the top. And then we'll add a small pocket on either side. Let's start with the inside with a straight line. Now draw a square, going out, down, and then back in. Let's add a flap across the top and add a button in the center. Now in between the vests, we're going to add a curve with a scarf coming down and up. Let's move down, come down and in towards the center point. Let's add some folds, coming down and in. Now along the bottom, we're going to step up and draw a straight line going all the way across the body. And then in the center, draw 2 lines for the buckle. Let's add a belt loop on either side with 2 lines side by side. And then just underneath the barrel on the top of the leg, we're going to draw a wave going all the way across towards the inside of the leg. Do the same thing on the right. And then in the center, we're going to add a point coming down and up. And then we'll fill those points in black. Now I want to add some simple detail across the arms. Let's start from the outside, bring this in about halfway, come down towards the wrist. Let's move up and draw a wave going across, curve this up and then out towards the outside of the arms. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and finish off the straps along the side. Draw 2 lines going out. Now let's draw a little rectangle along the center of the foot, going up, across, and then down. And then along the bottom of each foot, we're going to add a platform. From the corners, just extend this down. And then draw a straight line going across the bottom. Now let's grab some markers and color this in. And once we finish coloring this in, we'll be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Lego Peely from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.